Frog, tell me why do we hiccup? Have you ever let out a sudden hic and wondered why do we hiccup? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This makes you breathe in quickly, and then your vocal cords snap shut. That's the hic sound. But why does it happen? It could be from eating too fast, swallowing air, or even a sudden change in temperature. And guess what? Scientists still don't fully know why we evolved to hiccup. Mysterious, right? One thing's for sure, even frogs can't escape the hiccup mystery.